Oh hey, what are you doing here? Is it cool if I stay here for a few days? My house is getting fumigated. We have roaches. Okay, well just don't touch any of my food. Oh, I certainly will not. Hey people, it's Julia here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today we got some DIY slime pranks that you need to try on your friends and family. So today's challenge is to comment slime, S-L-I-M-E, in the comments, one letter at a time, uninterrupted. I believe in you, I think you can do it, and also give this video a thumbs up. But anyway, that's enough talking. Let's just go ahead and hop right in to this video. DIY number 1, nail polish slime. So here's what you're gonna need for this one. We're gonna start by pouring our glue into our bowl, and then our food coloring, I chose purple, mixing it together, and then our borax water mixture, mix that together, and then we're gonna place it in the nail polish container, and that's it.
"12 seconds later."
Prank number 2, toothpaste slime. So here's what you're gonna need for this one. We're gonna take a few spoonfuls of psyllium husk or Metamucil and mix some water in there, then add the food coloring. I chose green for this one, and then place that in the microwave for about a minute. And then take that out, mix it together. Then we're gonna cut open the toothpaste container and place that inside. Make sure you empty out the toothpaste first though, whatever's left of it, of course. And then we're gonna hot glue the top, and that's it. Prank number 3, sandwich slime. Okay, here's what you're gonna need for this one. Pretty similar to the last one, almost the exact same thing. So we're gonna take a few spoonfuls of Metamucil, some more green slime, we're gonna mix that together, place it in the microwave for another minute. Take it out, now we're gonna place it into the sandwich, smooth it out, place the bread on top, and then that's it.
A few moments later.
Prank number 4, Alligator Slime. I know I spelled that wrong. I'm a dyslexic and kind of lazy. Let's move on. Okay, here's what you're gonna need for this. So we're gonna take psyllium husk again, pour that in the bowl, some yellow Gatorade, some water. I used some yellow food coloring. Forgot to put that clip in, but it looks good once you put the food coloring extra yellow, you know what I mean? Then we're gonna put it in the microwave for another minute, and then we're gonna take that out, pour that in the Gatorade bottle, and there you go, Gatorade slime. Prank 5, my favorite, poop slime. Okay, so here's what you need for this one. We're gonna take some glue, pour that in the bowl, pour in some Hershey's syrup. Yes, it looks amazing, it looks yummy, but don't eat it, and mix it all together. Then we're gonna pour some detergent in there because most detergent does contain borax, so you don't necessarily need it, and there you go, poop slime. Our last prank, candle slime. So here's what you're gonna need for this one. We're gonna start by pouring the glue in the bowl, add some blue food coloring because I want my candle to be blue, mix it together. And then we're gonna pour some borax into a water cup, pour some of that in there, mix it till it's the texture that I want, slimy. And then we're gonna place the slime into the candle container. And there you go, it's some candle slime. So that's it for the pranks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to turn the post notifications on. And today's challenge shout out goes to these people right here. Just pop it up on the screen. A lot of you guys did the challenge and I'm so happy, and it made me like, I don't know, I just felt really like we're a freaking family when you guys were sending me all those pictures. So shout out to you guys for being awesome and actually, you know, commenting, liking, and subscribing here on Julia Gilman channel. Yeah. But I'll either see you guys in my next video or my previous video, which you can click at the end. Heart. Bye!